say hi. So today we're with Sheikh Emre Salahuddin and we're going to do baking. So we just received this this cute thing from Ora Made bakery, and let's see what's inside. Are you ready? Yes! Let's open. Okay, yes. Oh, unbox it, unbox it. Okay, so here's this is the name, Ora Made bakery. Alright, have the Instagram from Ora_Made and also the WhatsApp number. Alright, let's see inside, Sheikh Emre. Wow! Looks what's inside. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, we have the instruction. Okay, it's very straightforward, as this is actually meant for kids, okay, for your children to bake. And then we also have Nutella. This is Nutella jam inside. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, we also received the kids face mask, obviously for boy because it's Superman. And what else? Oh, we also have this cutter. Alright, this dough cutter. Yay, sprinkle stars for Emre. So this is also inside the package. Okay, this is the flour. So here's the instruction, what you need. Okay, the only thing that you need to have is 80 grams of butter salted. Okay, then they also have the instructions step by step. It's very straightforward. You can read it and just follow straight from the instruction. Let's get started. So we already poured the flour, all the flour inside this container, and we are going to pour everything inside. Okay, let's pour. 1, 2, 3, pour. Yay, good job, Sheikh Emre. Alright, right now we need to put the butter. So this is the butter, right? It's 80 grams salted butter right now. Okay, put all the butter inside, and we're going to start mixing. Ready? Emre, you want it on? Okay, press this, push this. 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to mix it with a spatula. You can also use your hands if you're comfortable with, and don't forget to use a glove.
Wow! No? Yeah!
Next, we're going to put the dough on the baking parchment that have been set up by us. Excuse me, Sheikh Emre, please. If let's say you have more cookie cutter or dough cutter at home, you can actually use yours too. Like us, we have, like, you know, teddy bears, okay, heart shape, lots of shapes to make it more fun for the kids. So right now Sheikh Emre is cutting the dough in ice cream shape. Okay, so this is the ice cream shape. Oh, what happened to the ice cream? Ice cream? Yums! Wow, look, there's so many shapes. Okay, so we're done with the shapes. Okay, so right now it's time to put chocolate. Put Nutella. Heart shape. Alright, so now we are going to sprinkle colorful shapes on top of the tarts, okay? The unbaked tarts, okay? So, yes, okay, put nicely. You can also add your own sprinkles if you have. This is ours, and yeah, I just want Emery to have like a lot of fun, so much more fun with all the sprinkle thing. Not just that, I can see he's actually eating it. How? Emery, what are you doing? Yeah, this one? This one? Yum! Oh, that is so comot. Yay! Nice, nice, and we like it. Oh, what's that? Oh. Stars. Okay, it's the same, right? Star. Alright, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.